Once again, now we're going to discuss another sample format of a police report, which is monthly reports on grenade or other explosion cases. Okay? So, ayun pa rin. Commonly, may mga grenade and explosion cases na yan. Doon pa rin sa mga gawing Mindanao yan eh. So, let's start. Province? Ulitin natin dito. Maguindanao. I have to put it here. Maguindanao. And then, period covered. You have, let's say, January to December 2021. Okay, province. Once again, Maguindanao. Like, dito naman, municipality Cotabato. Okay? Okay, ang i-record nating incident, meron ako napanood before sa news. Ang sabi doon, merong dalawang bata. May dalawang bata na nanghuhuli ng ibon. Ngayon, may napulot silang grenade. Siyempre, bata sa grade 2. Hindi nila alam that it was an explosive grenade. So, pinaglaruan nung dalawang bata. Siguro, pinambato ng ibon. So, sumabog yung grenade. Patay yung dalawang bata. So, kunyari, ganun yung incident. We have to record it here. So, ano lagay natin? Indicate the type of grenade or other instrument used and found. So, anong klaseng grenade? Di ba merong mga ano yan eh. Merong mga sample. For example, IR-15. Kahit di ko alam IR-15 rifle grenade. Kunyari may ganyan. Name of victims. Okay. Name of victims. Let's say, Nash Uto killed. Tapos, sino pa yung isa? Si Edges Giaman killed. True to life to yung nire-record natin na incident. Talagang sila talaga yung namatay. Name of suspects, wala namang suspect kasi nga napulot nila yung grenade na yon. Okay, wala. Group of or affiliation, wala din. I'm sorry. Oh no. What happened? Name of suspect, wala. Okay. Ay, ganun pala siya. So, dapat hindi yun yung ilagay ko. Wala, asterisk na lang. Okay? Group or affiliation, wala ulit. Lagay na lang natin not applicable. Dito din. Lagay na lang natin not applicable. Date and time of incident, say May 3, 2020. Place of incident, barangay. Ano bang barangay ito nangyari? Barangay Sampaw. Barangay Sampaw. Irrigation River. For example, ganyan. Para mas precise. Status of victims, killed. Patay pareho. Status of suspects, not applicable ulit kasi wala naman nga suspects since napulot ng mga bata yun. And then status of case, under investigation. Of course, investigahan kung saan ang galing yung grenade na yon. Investigation. And what really happened. Bakit nakarating sa mga bata yon. And remarks or motive. Dito yung mga importanteng details na wala dito sa mga columns na ito. You just have to put it here. For example, the bodies of the victims were buried immediately according to Islamic rites. Basta ano pa pwede mong ilagay? The grenade could be part of the unexploded ordnance that litter the site of clashes. Yeah, pwedeng ganyan. Just have to indicate there information that could help in a more understandable report. Okay, just have to put the name. Paulit-ulit na lang naman yan. Police. Pwede naman sergeant. Burahin ko lang to. Sergeant, sino ba? Julius. Okay. Noted by Senior Surgeon. Sino ba pwede kong ipangalan dyan? Sige, sinilan lang. Neil Balagtas. Okay. So, ganun lang siya. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Alright? Please wait for your activity via Edmodo. I'll post 2 activities tonight. Okay? Thank you.